The filter housing is located behind the right kick panel. The kick panel has a few push tabs on one end, and on the other side has a sliding tab that needs to slide into the catch to be secure. You can floor the gas pedal to gain some additional room. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1114 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Installation may be easier if you pinch the sides down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Slide the top of the filter housing door up first, then swing the bottom down until it clicks secure. Reinstall the panel.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.